welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different engineering colleges or colleges. The first college is K.S. Rangaswamy College of Technology. It's an autonomous college and it is in Tiruchengode. There is walk-in interview on 30th of April 2022 for position professor, associate professor and assistant professor for department AI&DS, AI&ML, CSBS, CSE, IT. Eligibility as per AICTE gazetted notification March 2019 with excellent academic record. There is also requirement for lab technician or assistant. For that, eligibility is ITI, diploma or BE. Another vacancy is for programmer. Eligibility requirement for that is BE or MSc in CSI or IT or MCA. Alumni manager, eligibility required MBA or MA English with good communication skill. If you have any query, then you can call on this number 9944410707. Next college is Thakur Syam Narayan Degree College. It is in Maharashtra, Kandiwali, Mumbai. They are inviting application for assistant professor on contractual basis for annual year 2022-23. Vacancy is for botany 1 vacancy, microbiology 5, ID or management or FC 1, BSc IT 7, mathematics 1, BSc computer science 8, BA MMC 4, BMS 9, BCom 3, BSc aeronautics avionics 4, BSc aeronautics mechanical 4, BSc hospitality studies 8, BA culinary arts 6, sports trainer 1. The above posts are open to all. However, candidate from any other category can apply for the post. The qualification for the assistant professor is as prescribed by University of Mumbai from time to time. Application with full detail should reach the principal Jagadoshan Charitable Trust, Thakur Syam Narayan Degree College, 19 feet Road, Thakur Complex, Kandiwali, Mumbai 400101 within 15 days. Next college is Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. It is Sanmati College of Engineering, Basi minority status, Basi Malegaon Road at Savargaon, Barde, district Wasim. Application are invited for full-time regular post as per following details in the Faculty of Science and Technology, Humanities, Commerce and Management and Interdisciplinary Studies. Principal for Engineering 1 post total, Professor Mechanical Engineering 1 post, Professor Electrical 1 post, then Professor EG and PG both for Civil 1 post, Professor EG and PG Computer Science 1, Associate Professor Mechanical 2, Associate Professor Electrical 2, Associate Professor UG and PG Civil 3, Associate Professor UG and PG CSE 2, Assistant Professor Mechanical 1, Assistant Professor Electrical 4, Assistant Professor Civil 3, Assistant Professor EG and PG CSE 1 post. For qualification and experience and pay scale and other details and conditions, you have to visit university site. This is the email ID. You can send your resume on this email ID, engineering@sanmati.in. Next college is Marathawada Mitra Mandal. They are inviting application for principal at Marathawada Mitra Mandal College of Engineering, Karvinagar, Pune, permanently or non-grant approved by Government of Maharashtra, all AICTE, New Delhi and affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. They have requirement for principal 1 post, which is open for all. Educational qualification and eligibility criteria as per AICTE, UGC and Government of Maharashtra and Savitribai Phule University norms. How to apply? Eligible candidate have to send their application along with resume, 2 recent passport size photograph and self-attested copies of relevant educational qualification, experience certificate including API or research score. Application should reach to the office of Secretary, Marathawada Mitra Mandal, Pune 202A, Deccan Gymkhana, Pune 411004 by 15th of May. Sending hard copy of application by the post is mandatory. One soft copy of application along with resume and copies of education certificate and other documents shall be forwarded to ANDAL67@gmail.com. Next college is Calcutta Institute of Engineering and Management. They are inviting application for the post of principal and assistant professor for our college in the department, namely BBA, BCA, BBA Business Analytics, BMLT, BSc Data Science, BSc Animation and Filmmaking, CSC, IT and Civil Engineering. So you have to apply through email ID. You have to send a resume to director@ciem.ac.in. Next college is New Horizon Institute of Technology and Management. They have requirement for the post of professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the department civil, computer, mechanical, mechatronics, artificial intelligence and data science, computer science and design, applied mathematics, applied physics, communication skill. So the post reserved for the backward class candidate will be filled in by the backward category candidate domicile of state of Maharashtra belonging to that particular category only. Reservation for women will be as per University Circular Number BCC 16741988 dated 10th of March 1988. 4% reservation shall be for the person with disability. Candidate having knowledge of Marathi will be preferred. Educational qualification, experience and pay scale for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor and librarian as prescribed by University of Mumbai. Application who are already employed must send their application along with through proper channel. You have to require to account for breaks if any in the academic career. Application with full details should reach to the principal, New Horizon Institute of Engineering and Institute of Technology and Management, Anandnagar, Kavesar of Godbundar Road, Thane West 400615 within 15 days. Next college is Poddar Group of Institution, Jaipur. They are inviting application for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the discipline of management, commerce, PGDM, IT, English, history, geography, MCA, physics, mathematics, botany, zoology, fashion design and interior design. Qualification as per UGC norms. You have to send your resume to hr@poddarinstitute.org. Next college is next university is KK University is in Bihar Sharif, Nalanda. They are having requirement of administrative position, pro vice chancellor, deputy registrar, assistant registrar, HR manager, chief finance officer, campus administrator for defense personnel, HR and TP executive, soft skill trainer. They also required academic position, principal and dean for engineering, pharmacy, law, agriculture, nursing, education. They are having vacancy for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for engineering, education, pharmacy, applied science, law, agriculture, nursing, arts and communication. Qualification and experience as per UGC norms. You have to send your resume to hr@kkuniversity.ac.in. Next university is Indian Maritime University. They are inviting application for eligible candidate for the following post on contract or outsourced basis. For first faculty for marine engineering, for nautical science, radio communication, civil, electrical, seamanship, marine, workshop instructor electrical, workshop instructor marine, instructor seamanship. For details you have to visit www.imu.edu.in and apply according to that. Next is Nirma University. They have requirement for director for School of Technology. If you have PhD degree with preceding qualification in the area of information technology, computer science, computer engineering along with proven leadership qualities and administrative capabilities as well as teaching and research credentials. The pay scale of the said post is at par with director of an IIT. Details about required qualification experience are available on the university website. So interested candidate have to required to send the detailed biodata within 15 days from date of publication of advertisement through email. Email ID is er@nirmauniversity.ac.in. Next is JD College of Engineering and Management, JD Polytechnic. They are having walk-in interview. If you think that work is worth it, then just walk in with your original certificate, photocopies of testimonial, Aadhaar, PAN card and 2 photograph for Engineering and Polytechnic College. Walk-in is on 19th of April from 10:30 a.m. For department CSC, IT, AI, Electrical, Electronics and Telecommunication and Mechanical for assistant professor and lecturer. On Saturday, 30 April 2022 from 10:30 a.m. For department English, Civil, MBA, Soft Skill Trainer, Counselor for assistant professor and lecturer. Qualification MEM Tech can also appear for Polytechnic interview. They also have some non-teaching posts. For that, walk-in is on 19th April and 30th April. Post system analytics analyst, graphic designer, website developer and programmer, digital marketing executive, account clerk, bus supervisor, marketing executive, telecaller, ERP administrator, electrician, workshop instructor for welder and filter, lab assistant for physics, civil, CSC, electrical, etc. and mechanical. Next is Priyadarshini LJ College of Engineering. They require faculty for undergraduate course and BE Artificial Intelligence. Application on plain paper are invited from eligible candidate for the above post within 10 days at the institute address, accompanied by resume, testimonial, NOC to photograph, and daily amount of 1,000 towards processing fee drawn in the favor of Secretary LT JSS Nagpur. Qualification experience as per AICTE UGC norms. Next college is Global Knowledge Campus, Krishnanagar. They are inviting application for the following post in the following organization in Global Hiramani Memorial Nursing Institution. Principal requirement is there for PhD Nursing, MSc Nursing with 15 years of experience. Qualification required for Professor, MSc Nursing with 12 years of experience required. For Associate Professor, MSc Nursing with 8 years of experience required. And for Assistant Professor, MSc Nursing with 3 years experience required. Tutor, BSc Nursing with 3 years. Global Institute of Management and Technology, Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for the department CSC. Qualification and experience as per AICTE norms. Admission and marketing, for that graduate with 5 years of experience required. Global Private ITI, for that principal required. If you have BTech with 7 years of experience, you can apply. So email your CV at principaloffice@gimt-india.com. Interested candidates are willing to come to college campus for interviews, should apply only. Next is Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology. They are inviting application for the position of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for Architecture, Computer Science, Chemical Management, Commerce, Pharmacy, Nursing, Law, Chemistry, Mathematics, English, Psychology, Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics, MLT, Physiotherapy. They also require lab assistant in all disciplines. Eligibility UGC norms. Last date 5th May. For that, what you have to do? Is there any eligibility? Prospective candidate may apply at. You have to visit on this website and apply according to that. Next is Sayadri College of Engineering and Management, Mangaluru. They are inviting application for the position of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for CSC, CSC AI and ML, CSC Data Science, CSC Cyber Security, Information Science and Engineering, Electronics Communication, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, for Robotics and Automation, MBA Finance and Marketing. They are also required some laboratory instructor, technician for CS, IS, E&C, mechanical qualification required, ITI, diploma, BE, BSc or MSc. Apply online by visiting college website. In that you have to go recruitment section and you have to apply for 7th of May. Next is Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Science, Rajampet district, Annamaya district, Rajampet. Where it is, Ananthapuram, accredited and BA. You have to visit college site. They are inviting application for Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for the department CSC, AI for Data Science and Machine Learning, Civil, EEE, Mechanical, ECE, English, Chemistry, Mathematics, MBA and MCA. Qualification as per AICTE norms. To apply, you have to visit college section and in that you go in recruitment section and submit on or before 9th of May. Next college is Kalasa Lingam Academy of Research and Education. They have requirement for Dean, Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for Engineering, CSC, AI and ML, Internet of Things, Data Science, Cyber Security, Mechanical, Mechatronics and Robotics, Food Technology, ECE, Also requirement for arts and science, commerce, English, maths, MBA, BBA, visual communication, agriculture. They also require requirement for Kalasingam School of Law and Allied Health and Science for the subjects anatomy, psychology, biochemistry, pathology, microbiology, pharmacology, clinical psychology, clinical nutrition. Qualification PhD or MSc in above subject. Preference will be given to PhD candidate. Senior faculty with more than 15 years of experience in all branch of engineering can apply. So you have to apply through college website. Go to recruitment section and apply. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time for all latest updates regarding faculty recruitment or PhD admission, and share it with your friends. Thank you.